If this video helped you navigate the process, please like and subscribe to stay updated with more business tips and tutorials. How to open an LLC online in minutes. Easy tutorial. Starting a business can be an exciting journey, and forming a limited liability company, or LLC, is a popular choice for entrepreneurs. Today, I'll guide you through the easy steps to open an LLC online in just a few minutes. First, decide on your LLC's name. It should be unique in your state, and it's a good idea to check availability on your state's business registration website. Once you have a name, most states allow reservations, which guarantees no one else can use it while you complete the registration process. Next, choose a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or business authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. You can act as your own agent, hire someone, or use a dedicated service. Now, it's time to file your articles of organization. This document includes essential details like your LLC's name, address, and owner's information. You can easily do this online through your Secretary of State's website. Simply fill out the form, pay the necessary fee, and submit your application. Don't forget about an operating agreement. While not always required by the state, it's wise to have one. The operating agreement outlines the ownership structure and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps prevent misunderstandings between members and adds an extra layer of protection for your business. Finally, check if your state requires you to publish a notice in a local newspaper. While this is not necessary in every state, it's important to know the requirements specific to your area. Congratulations! Once you've completed these steps, you've officially opened your LLC. Be sure to keep track of any annual filings or fees to maintain your LLC in good standing.